Hi, everyone. What we're going to do here is talk about how to record your Zoom recording of your final speech, speech 4. So when you go to Zoom and once you're logged in and you go to my account, if for some reason you don't see it in this upper right hand corner, again, you can scroll down to the very bottom. Sorry about that. And you'll find it right here. Okay, so I'm going to go into my account. Now mine's different because I have cloud recordings as well as local recordings available to me. But you're going to go to recordings, and then you're going to go over here to settings. And again, if it looks different, you'll find it in settings. But you should see that there in settings. And so what you're going to want to do, right, is to make sure you click, right, this right here. Record gallery view with shared screen. All right. And those are the two. So you can click this one and this one should be clicked. Record active speaker with shared screen and record gallery view with shared screen. So this will allow me to be able to see audience. Sometimes what you see while you're watching is not necessarily what I see once you have recorded that. So, and this is only for when you're recording locally. So if you have a paid account, you can do it in the cloud or you can do it in locally, but otherwise it's automatically defaulted in a free account to save it to your computer. And actually it will convert that recording once you have recorded it and you have ended your meeting. It will convert the recording and then it will show you a link to where it is on your computer. So what I would suggest strongly is that you test this out with at least one other person in your household if you can, or a friend that's remote. Just find a chance to just test it out and make sure that and you can certainly send me something if you want me to look at it. Something that's just less than a minute long, 30 seconds, something, just so we can see, and you might feel better that way. But don't worry too much. As long as you have those done and that recording, then that should work just fine. And let's see. So I'm going to also show you one other thing here. Okay, so if you can see when I hit this green bar, right, that you'll see all of these things up here. So obviously you want to make sure that you're not muted, that your video is going. This will show your participants, etc. You can pause your share at any time, right? So that people are not seeing the screen any longer, just like that, it's paused. So then you can hit resume. All right, so you can move this around to different places as well if you want to do that. So here again, you can pause, stop recording. All of that is there. Okay, so it's just best to play around with this, honestly, so that you don't feel intimidated by it. And I looked through, I mean, you can look through Zoom because they do have quite a few helpful videos and explanations, but unfortunately, sometimes it's just more information than what you need. So certainly you can do that and see what else is there. And sometimes seeing it a couple of different ways helps. I can't actually show you what it looks like right now because I don't have anybody any participants to share at the moment. So take a look at this and click around, just experiment with Zoom, and certainly send me your questions, and I can meet with someone for a very quick meeting. I'm fairly flexible. You can see what speech times are for this class, but there are for there's more than one class. So just try to give me a heads up and I'll try to squeeze it in. Give me a window of time that would work, or a couple windows, and I can do that for you.